Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Delhi, India, a little boy named Virat Kohli dreamed of becoming a cricketer. He was born on November 5, 1988, into a loving family that supported his dreams from very beginning. From moment Virat held a cricket bat, everyone could see his passion for game. He would spend hours practicing. Even when sun was blazing or rain poured down, his determination was unshakable. Virat joined the West Delhi Cricket Academy at the age of 9. He practiced hard and soon became one of the best young players in the academy. His coach, Rajkumar Sharma, noticed that Virat was not just talented but also incredibly disciplined. He would often be the first to arrive for practice and the last to leave. His father, Prem Kohli, was his biggest supporter and encouraged him to follow his dreams. Unfortunately, when Virat was just 18 years old, his father passed away. It was a difficult time for him, but instead of giving up, Virat used this tragedy as motivation to make his father proud. In 2008, at the age of 19, Virat Kohli captained the Indian under-19 cricket team to victory in the World Cup. This was a turning point in his life. Soon after, he was selected to play for the Indian national cricket team. It wasn't an easy journey, though. Virat had to work incredibly hard to prove himself, and there were moments of failure, but he never lost hope. His dedication to fitness, training, and learning from his mistakes made him one of the most consistent players in cricket. Virat's aggressive and passionate style of playing won the hearts of millions of cricket fans around the world. He became known for his powerful batting and his ability to lead the team in tough situations. In 2013, he became the captain of the Indian cricket team, and under his leadership, the team achieved great success in various international tournaments. He broke numerous records, including being the fastest player to score 8,000, 9,000, and 10,000 runs in one-day internationals, ODIs. Despite his success, Virat never let it get to his head. He remained humble and always focused on improving his game. He also gave back to society by starting the Virat Kohli Foundation, which helps underprivileged children in India. Today, Virat Kohli is considered one of the greatest cricketers of all time. His journey from a young boy with a dream to becoming a global cricket icon is an inspiration to children everywhere. Virat's story teaches us that with hard work, dedication, and passion, no dream is too big. And so, the little boy from Delhi grew up to become a legend, showing the world that champions are made not just with talent, but with perseverance, heart, and a never-give-up attitude.